So I put the wheel back in. It seemed like it was working in the beginning, and then all of a sudden, the wheel got too tight. Even to just walk a bike, just walk with the bike was really hard. So something is too tight in there, or is touching something. And the wheel is not touching really. I saw that, so it's something in the hub, or the something is too tight. Now the wheel also is very close to the metal. This one right here. This one right here. It's too close to the metal. So I don't know. It's this is maybe too tight from here. Maybe it's too tight. I don't know. Or maybe this brake thing is somehow is not installed properly when I was putting in the disc brake. Like I made a mistake when I was putting the wheel in. That's what I think. Or unless something is too tight from here, because I noticed when this chain comes here, I feel like it's touching